FLOE's Quick Attach Versatile Heavy Duty, or VHD dock, features an extra rigid extruded aluminum frame, and the modular design allows you to create most any dock layout you desire. It's equipped with easy level legs and can accommodate wheels to roll the dock in, or pads and be used as a sectional style dock. It's equipped with our exclusive Flowmaster decking, which has a lot of benefits. First, it's extremely durable and quiet to walk on, while providing superior traction. It will not dent, even with large hail. It's cooler to the touch. Another big benefit is that the perforated decking allows waves to pass through in windy conditions. This means your dock can survive storms that others will not. It's also much cleaner as it allows sand to pass through and wash off. It provides 45% more light penetration for sensitive water bodies, and it's UV resistant for long-lasting performance with minimal color fade. If you're looking for a dock solution that can take the heavy abuse that Mother Nature can deliver, FLOE's Quick Attach VHD dock can be the ideal choice.